Hello, welcome back. Great Tuesday morning. How are you guys doing? Subscribe, comment down below, and turn on the notification bell if you haven't already. Now we're going to go ahead and start out with this first job called Compunnel Incorporated. And the job role for this company is customer support, and the start pay is $20 to $28 per hour. It's a full-time job position, and they're hiring ASAP. There's no interviewing, and it's an immediate start. Now, for this job, the qualifications you have to have and is required is bachelor's degree in Korean. Bachelor's degree is required. Korean, you have to speak Korean required, and you have to speak Chinese is required. Hope you are doing great. We are looking for a customer service representative. Please go through the job description below and let me know if you'd like to apply to this position. In case if you are not looking, please share this job with anyone you might know who is available for a new job. Now, once again, the title for this job role is customer support. Work address is 100% remote. Duration, 1-year contract, can be extended. Shift 8 a.m. till 5 p.m. The key responsibility is in support of solid engines, sales, marketing, and operations organizations. The user entitlement customer service agent ensures successful customer profile management across multiple systems in alignment to all governance strategies. This is a global role with accountability to stakeholders across a variety of regions and functional groups. You will be responsible for managing and further defining the processes by which additions and modifications are made to Solidism's customer information systems and for facilitating adherence to data governance standards. First priority when hired will include initially supporting Solidism's exit from Intel's transition services agreement. There will be multiple cutover activities associated with moving current Solidism's user entitled customers from Intel systems to the corresponding Solidism systems. Additionally, while closely collaborating with stockholders, the user entitlement customer service agent is required to remain flexible to changes, supporting ongoing programs as needed. The analyst will execute all the administrative audit tasks necessary to help the field sales and operations team manage their customers' accounts, opportunities, leads, etc. in a CRM, Microsoft Dynamics system. They will frequently run reports and will be required to perform audits. The user entitlement customer service agent will help to manage a support email box and effectively communicate with a variety of stakeholders. Training other customer service agent resources may be required. Job responsibilities: executes customer data synchronization across various systems to create and maintain seamless customer experience. Identify and troubleshoot discrepancies in customer profile information using research and critical thinking. Provide frequent productivity status updates to key stakeholders via written communication or verbal forms. Deliver information on process gap feedback to business and IT teams for investigation and decision making. Requirements: a quick learner, self-motivated, proactive to learn and do things with high standard. Familiar with supply chain and operational systems such as SAP, and other tools. Ability to work efficiently under pressure and deliver solid result on time. Fluently operates in Microsoft Teams, Office, and other communication working software. Being flexible to work at both Asian time and U.S. time zones. Bachelor's degree a must. Master preferred. Master's is preferred and nice to have. English native speaker, Korean or Chinese as a second language. Now the scheduling will be day shift, Monday to Friday, weekend availability. Education will be a requirement. This is a requirement that you guys have to have. It's a bachelor's degree. Language required, Korean once again, and Chinese required. And it's a remote position once again. And this is the phone number. And they are hiring for 10 candidates plus for this role. And this got posted today, this Tuesday morning, you guys. So go ahead and jump on that job. And the next job that I will have for you guys is from this company called Taylor Management. And this job role for the Taylor Management will be data verification steward. And the pay is up to $22 per hour. It's a full-time job position. The qualifications are accessioning department in a CLIA laboratory, 1 year required. And the benefits is dental, health, and vision insurance. The duties for this job position as data verification steward goes as the data verification steward is responsible for coordinating the quality, security, and maintenance of the specimen, data entry, and patient demographic data. This role defines data elements and establishes policies and procedures related to the collection and accuracy of data. This role is involved in both independent and collaborative work and projects that include the use of specimen data entry and patient demographic data. Partner with commercial client services, laboratory operations, and other departments to maintain accurate specimen data entry and patient demographic data in the customer relationship management CRM system. Maintain up-to-date and effective standard operating procedures SOPs and work instructions WIs. Issue discrepancy reports to the lab for corrective action and input all discrepant results in the designated data verification error log. Analyze and develop solutions to improve and maintain the integrity, continuity, and accuracy of specimen data entry and patient demographics data. Be responsible for solving data-related issues and communicating resolutions. Address escalating internal and external client concerns in a professional manner. Timely address any account and patient demographic data corrections and ensure efficiency reports in all stages of testing to support clients in continued patient care and or accuracy of patient records. Utilize tools such as advanced queries in the CRM or the ERA DV log to research and identify data quality issues and trends. Manage any relevant documentation and intake forms in the CRM system to maintain an audit history that supports specimen data entry or patient demographic data updates processes. Provide mentorship and training to fellow colleagues. Execute work in adherence to good documentation practice GDP requirements and applicable regulations, including but not limited to clinical laboratory improvement amendments CLIA, College of American Pathologists CAP, Massachusetts State and New York State. The skills that you have to have, I will go through a few of these, is preferred qualifications is bachelor's degree, 1 year of experience working in an accessing department in a CLIA laboratory. Demonstrated experience handling multiple tasks at once. Demonstrated experience working within timelines of successful execution of project and program goals. Ability to work independently as well as collaborate with peers in a fast-paced and cross-functional results or oriented team environment. Ability to work under pressure while maintaining a professional demeanor. Ability to prioritize and thoroughly follow up on assigned tasks. Ability to adapt to changing procedures, policies, and work environments. excellent verbal and written communication skills, excellent computer data entry skills, understand of HIPAA, and importance of privacy of patient data, commitment to FMI values, patience, innovation, collaboration, and passion. Education, high school diploma or general education and 6 years of laboratory or clinical experience or a bachelor's degree and 2 years of data management experience within a laboratory or a clinical. Languages, English, speak, read, and write in English. And these are once again the skills and experiences I mentioned above. And the scheduling it goes as 8 hours shift because as in 8-hour shift because it is a full-time job position. And this is the experience once again assessing departments in a CLIA laboratory, 1 year required. And they're hiring for 1 candidate for this job and it's urgently hiring. So those are the 2 jobs that I have for this video this morning, you guys. And I hope you guys go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment down below. I'm giving you guys all the tea for all these great, wonderful jobs, these updated jobs, and these resourceful and factual jobs that you guys can go ahead and apply to. And like and share and comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe. See you guys on the next video. Bye.